Jai Sriman. There are so many ponds filled up with beautiful lotus. Like this, everywhere the entire atmosphere is releasing some divinity, and all rishis also, tapasvis, munis, all of them are looking like Surya Vaisvanarabhaischa Puranaihi Munibhirvrutam. They are glowing like sun and fire. That kind of all the great rishis, those who have Brahmajnanam, those who are very much blessed with divine riches, all of them are filled up with, they are all over that place because of that place is filled up with such a great Brahmajnanis, that place looking like Brahmalokam. Like this, Sita Rama Lakshmana is now enjoying to see all ashramas. All the rishis now getting to see Ramachandra Swami walking towards their ashramam. All the rishis, because they are Brahmajnanis, they are now able to connect that, yes, this is Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu came down in this form, Rama, to kill Ravana. They are able to realize, they are able to connect, and they are, because of that, Divya Jnana Upapannaha Te Ramam Drishtva Maharshayaha. With that kind of realization, with that kind of Brahmajnanam, with that kind of divine wisdom, they are looking at, they are now seeing Sri Ramachandra Swami and enjoying to see Ramachandra Swami's beautiful, handsome, divine face which is glowing like a moon. And they are getting to see Sitamma, they are getting to see Lakshmana Swami, because they have that realization. All the munis, rishis, they are collectively together offering a divine high-level protection to Sita Rama Lakshmana, saying that Mangalani Prayunjanaha, may you three be safe. Like that, they are all offering their wishes and they are all offering their respect to Sita Rama Lakshmana. Sita Rama Lakshmana is entering into Dandakaranyam, and all the Maharshis are looking at Sita Rama Lakshmana and enjoying to see Sri Ramachandra Swami's divine handsomeness and divine personification. All the rishis enjoying Rupa Samhananam, the very beautiful, orderly structure, great structure of Sri Ramachandra Swami's body. Lakshmi, all the Maharshis are enjoying to see the divine glow in Sri Ramachandra Swami. Then they are getting to see Vaidehim, they are getting to see Sitamma. They are feeling that they have not seen such a beautiful woman any time in the past. To that extent, they are surprising to see Sitamma, Lakshmanam, Ramam, and also looking at Sri Ramachandra Swami, Lakshmana Swami. They, all the Maharshis, Netraihi Animishairiva, they are unable to take off their eyes from Sita Rama Lakshmana. They are enjoying. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, हे हे सीतारामा। Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.